Sales and operation planning is a new process which is the integration of many important processes in the supply chain management, right from sales, marketing, distribution, logistics, manufacturing, storage, warehousing, purchase, and production planning and control, which is also known as PPC or MPC or brain of the company. Friends, this integration is very important because normally we are used to plan our factory, load our factory with product mix as a priority. We normally do not consider product volume as a priority. Because of this, we always overload our factory, and because of the overload, we always find that our staff, our machines, everybody is overloaded, and all of us, we work hard, but still we are not satisfied because the results are not to the expectation what we are having. With all these things, really speaking, there are tensions, there is stress, and many times we find that people are not happy. This is not the right way of loading our factory and getting the output. But compared to this, if we can plan our factory with the volume planning as the first, and within that we start fixing our product mix, you will find the factory delivers much in time, much better way, people are happy, and the deliveries are also achieved, and there is satisfaction in all the aspect. This is the magic due to the sales and operations planning. Sales and operation planning has a lot of benefits to the company. Because of sales and operations planning, our online deliveries percentage is increasing. Due to this S&OP, we find that our inventories are optimized. We find our manufacturing efficiencies are improved. And with all these things, there are many other benefits along with the S&OP, which definitely comes to our company, and everybody in the team is happy, satisfied, and definitely see that they are delivering the things what they have on their as a job. Friends, we are organizing sales and operations planning training program. Please subscribe this video by clicking the following link. Thank you. Thank you very much.